Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop receiving emails from AliExpress. You will receive different kind of emails regarding different products and different services of AliExpress. To stop this, you need to open any web browser available on your device. I'm going on with Google Chrome. Now you can go to your search bar and type in www.aliexpress.com, then press on enter. Or you can also use AliExpress application. After this, make sure that you are logged into your AliExpress account. Now here on the top, you'll be able to find account option. Click on account option. Then here you'll be able to find settings. Click on settings. Then you'll be taken to settings of AliExpress. Now here under activate email notifications, you can see activate option. Click on activate. Then here you can see different kind of email notification that you get from AliExpress. So you can click on the toggle next to this notification options. Like when you click on the toggle next to price alerts and reminders, you won't be getting email notification regarding price alerts and reminders. Similarly, you can click on all the toggle to turn off all these notification options. With this, you'll be able to stop receiving emails from AliExpress. This is how we can stop receiving emails from AliExpress. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.